From $200, $119 na lang.
Paleta or Mexican ice cream?
KitKat pang barangay.
2x pang barangay.
Oh my God! Like ito, 65 na lang. Good morning, Beshies. It is 8 a.m. or almost 9 a.m. and we are on our way to the West Coast for the last leg of our US trip. I think this is Miami International Airport and we're on our way to San Diego, California. Well, mainly to see family and also to see once again Los Angeles because I really enjoyed that city, and maybe a side trip to Mexico for some authentic tacos. So, ayun, naghihintay lang kami ng flight. We're flying Delta, by the way. Tapos, magtatrabaho lang ako. So, yun. See you later. Hello, Beshies. Welcome to the West Coast. We are now in California. So, this is our first stop in our West Coast trip and our last stop in our great USA trip. So, we are just waiting for her husband's relatives. She's gonna pick us up and we're gonna go in and out. From Miami to San Diego, it's around 5 hours. But it was a total of 7 hours because we had a 2-hour layover sa Atlanta. And, ito, nag-hotel muna kami. Yung hotel namin is Urban Boutique Hotel. Nakakaloka mga besh. Kasi, while we were in Miami, I did not know that Wyndham canceled my booking. I booked via booking.com because their payment didn't go through with my credit card. Because I kind of maxed out my credit card. Tapos hindi na nila na-allow. So yun, but good thing we were able to book a hotel 3 days before coming to San Diego. It's just a bit expensive but not crazy expensive versus our Wyndham booking. Buti na lang talaga kasi kung hindi ko alam sa kami matutulog dito. And it's cold here in San Diego right now. So, andito lang kami sa hotel. It's in Little Italy. Actually, it's a really good location. I'll take you around in the next few days. Ito lang yung hotel namin, Beshies. Yan, yung sink nasa labas, nasa kwarto. This is the bed. It is a boutique hotel, really, really good location. But compared to the first two hotels that we stayed in, I would say na this would be the least in terms of aesthetic. Pero comfort-wise, okay naman, maganda yung bed. It's just very plain lang. Yun, para kasi siyang independent hotel. Unlike the first two hotels that we stayed in Miami, they're managed by a group, Marriott and Thing Hospitality ng isa. That's why it's better. So yan, let's go mga besh. Labas na tayo. We'll go to Old Town in a while. Tapos, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung area. It's one of the first settlements daw here in San Diego. So that's why it's considered a historical landmark. Kasi, aside from the area is very old, a lot of the buildings there are preserved din daw. So let's go. Morning, Beshies. It is the next day here in San Diego. We are in Little Italy. We're staying here. Ganda. Tapos may market sila ngayon, no? Grabe, ang sasarap ng mga berries and it's pretty affordable. Sa Manila, ang mahal-mahal ng mga blueberries, blackberries, strawberries. And I wanna shop. Sana mauwi ko sa Pinas yan, no? But we're here for a week pa. So anyway, ganda ng Little Italy. Plus, there are lots of good food here. So it's gonna be food trip for us dito sa San Diego. But right now, we are waiting for my husband's cousin. We're going to Los Angeles. Let's go! Grabe, mga farmers to mga besha. Tapos sila yung may-ari nitong stalls. And they're here every Sunday in Little Italy. Grabe mga mushroom, babe. Grabe mga mushroom. That's nice, but there are no fishes.
Yeah, how deep is this water?
It's not that deep. Look, I can see the bottom.
Because I feel like because over there you can see it.
Or maybe it does something like this. It goes deep in the center.
Like, down.
But is it clean? Oh, there are fishes. There's fish. Yeah, it doesn't look that deep though.
Beshies, nandito tayo sa Venice Beach, California. So the other side is the famous Santa Monica Beach. Grabe besh, ang lakas ng waves, pang surfing siya. Look. Beshies, nandito kami sa Rojas Boulevard. Charing. Santa Monica Boulevard to see the pier. Finally, I got to visit the two famous beaches. So si Venice Beach and to si Santa Monica Beach. And it's famous for the pier. Besh, isa dito tayo sa Fashion Valley. So, ito yung parang high-end mall dito here sa San Diego. So, ikot ko kayo. Tingnan nyo yung mga brands. Yan. Ferragamo, Burberry, Louboutin, Prada, Dolce & Gabbana. So, maraming ginagawa because they're, you know, improving their stores before the holidays. Versace, Burberry. Oh, there's Apple. Lakas ng Apple, daming tao. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung Apple, mga besh. Ang daming tao. They're getting the Apple iPhone 16. Dio. Tapos meron din dito. Carte. Yun ata yung pronunciation. Feeling French. We have Prada, daming Pinoy. We have Saint Laurent. Louis Vuitton is open. We have Saint Laurent, Bottega, Gucci. Sephora. Hugo Boss. Oh, Zimmerman. Zimmerman, really nice clothes. Aritzia. Okay, Beshi. So, baga-outlet shopping tayo here sa States. So, our first stop is Ross Dress for Less. So, actually, bibili lang ako ng luggage, but I might find something else pa. So, yun, Ross Dress for Less. Ano siya, off-price sa mga stuff. So, what Ross does is they buy yung mga old season, very, very past season and clearance items. And even slightly damaged items in store, yung mga mishandled by customers. And they buy those and then they sell it here at a very discounted price. So, I'll show you an example. For example, ito. Oh. Adidas to $65 siya, pero $39 lang sa Ross. Ganyan siya kamura. So, ang laki nito. Grabe mga besh. Tingnan nyo. Ito lang yung gusto ko sa Amerika. Sobrang lalaki ng mga tindahan. As in talagang, it's a theme park for shoppers. O yan, meron ding mga damit. Gusto nyo mga jogging pants. Like this. Under Armour. O, ayan. And they have sizes for everyone, like whether you're small, petite, small, medium, large. Okay, so this one, it's $45 originally. $19 na lang sa Ross. Ang sarap mag-live selling dito. Bebentahan ko kayo mga besh. Ayan, kung gusto niyo ng mga branded bags, Tommy Hilfiger, Michael Kors. Madami here. Oh, for example, this one, Tommy Hilfiger. So from $118, it's only $28.99. Ang mura. Mamimili na nga ako ng mga pamasko dito. O mga besh, ito, mga tote bags. I even have a feeling that those online stores in the Philippines that sell US goods, that's what they call their stores, they get most of their stuff here. Because they can sell them at a really cheap price. So ito, Juicy Couture backpack. There's even Coach here, but it's in the front. So, soaps, ayan, mga shoes, boots. So kung mahilig kasi sa sapatos, tapos you wanna get more for your budget, go to Ross. Yung mga medyas. Magaganda ang medyas sa States, yung quality. So if you're here, hoard socks. Oh, it's $120, $89 na lang. Oh, sorry. Oh, ito mga besh, Michael Kors. From $200, $119 na lang. So also if you want luggage, and if you need luggage before going home because you overshot, or namili kayo ng mga pasabay, go to Ross because the luggage here are so cheap. And oh my god, yung Samsonite luggage here is so cheap. For example, this one, $94. So that's like 5,000 plus pesos. Pero original niya is 160 plus. Even the hard shell luggage, it's about the same price. O, kita nyo, gaganda mga Samsonite, besh. Di ba nasa 20k sa atin yan? I even got a Samsonite luggage because I need extra luggage na I've overshot. And I'm gonna give that to my husband. So magbayad na tayo, mahaba pang araw, and we're going to go to a lot of outlets pa. What do you call this outlet, Lee? Again? Las Americas. So this is the Las Americas outlet. This is the one near the border of San Diego and Tijuana. And it's one of the biggest. And I love that there's not a lot of people because it's a Tuesday. So solo ang outlet. It's not a lot of people. Adidas. Dito kami sa New Balance. Ayan. Ang mura ng shoes. $60, $79. Let's check this out. Ito yung popular na $550. Kano na lang siya. $109. Yung 530s, we're looking for that. But they are out. Super popular daw. What?
Maybe I can buy Ryan a shirt here or something.
Look at Nike. It's so big.
Yeah.
This is a factory outlet.
Fearing for their life.
Yeah.
So someone found it like
Grabe yung Nike dito, besh. Mga $30. Like ito, 65 na lang. 49. So that's around 2,000 plus. Yung cousin ni husband namili for our nephew. Her pamangkin. Oh my god. Yung mga Jordans nasa 5,000 pesos. Yeah, we got him Jordans, our nephew. Grabe. Maloloka kayo sa outlet dito sa US. Dito tayo sa Ralph Lauren outlet. I'm just gonna get some shirts for myself. Some more shirts. Saan ba yan? So these are the sweaters. Nice. Saan yung mga where are the shirts for ladies? Oh, I see it. There you go. Instagram. Okay, let's put some line. Okay. There's more flavor in the meat.
Yes.
It's well seasoned.
Because we usually marinate for 2 days.
Yung sa coyote, it's like, that's okay. But this one is like, okay.
Usually like
Okay.
barbacoa, they cook the meat first.
Horchata.
Cinnamon toast horchata.
It's called the tutti frutti. Yeah. So it has spicy mango, may flavors in it.
Babe, may spicy mango. What's mazapan? Babe, spicy mangoes, look. Okay, it's your turn to try. Time to try.
So go for it.
Oh, spicy. Try for you. Remember where they got my
Did you get ube? Or no, you got
Oh yeah.
Paleta or Mexican ice cream. Looks so good. So may fruit pops. Okay, so our next destination is Trader Joe's. Grabe. Mag-grocery tayo because I love bringing home grocery stuff when I go abroad. Yes. Yeah, cart. Ano yung pinabibili ni ate? Babe, papatong na nitong bag ko. Alam mo yung next sa balik ko dito, papabili talaga ako. 1,000 per person. Minimum of 5 items.
Picture tayo for Josefina.
Yan, maraming mga fruits dito. Dried fruits. Maganda Trader Joe's kasi very healthy. Ayan. Chili spiced mango. Very popular na delicacy here.
4 pieces. Let's keep it up. God is good.
I get one for my mom.
I'll get one from
Fig.
parang ganito rin yun.
Fig slices.
Ang mga freeze-dried yan. Tapos parang
Wild blueberries.
Pero hindi mo lang added sugars to or...
Oh, but it's sweetened. Alam ko wala siya. Unsweetened.
Dahil ang sugar ni Mami.
Unsweetened and unsweetened.
Babe, fig oh.
Galing naman. So yan ang Trader Joe's.
So, 1 serving per container is serving...
Okay, let's have rye chips. Crunchy okra. Ayan o, $1 lang yung mga popcorn, yung mga healthy snacks. Trader Joe's is very popular because of the healthy snacks. Best before November 11.
Ilang days na lang.
Ala bread, chala toast. Everything. Grabe pa, ang sasarap ng tinapay, no? Tayaki?
Soyaki.
Soyaki. TJ's organic sauce. Speculoos. Fruit jellies. Tingnan nyo, chicken karage. They have their own brand for chicken karage. Ganda. So these are the sauces. Orzo pasta. It's nice. It's really nice. I'll get one for my mom. Soyaki. Can I see? Marinate soyaki.
Parang gano'n.
Diba?
I can usually use 3 cookings niya. So, shake mo lang yung
I will call you pag ganyan.
sige.
Sige, babe. Babe, pahawak lang nito. Just get her mga ganito. Cereal. Honey apple granola. Pero, maybe not for mommy, mataas yung sugar. Habanero. Magnificsauce. Wow. Tangy sauce of secret proportions. Parang secret sauce. Yellow mustard. Tartar sauce. Artichoke hearts. O yan. Way back, Trader Joe's became popular in the Philippines for cookie butter. Ayan. Is this better for mommy?
Gagawin niya pa.
Ayaw niya niyan. Maybe coffee? La Mexica Concordia, $9.99. Ayan mga kape. Breakfast blend, medium roast. Ito. So, kukuhaan ko sila ng kape. Maybe a medium roast.
Those shopping patterns, is that coming to income?
Also have tea. pretzels, hair oil. So these are drinks. Green tea. Ano pa? Oh, they have dog food, organic food, pet food. They also have dressing here, mga herbs and spices, salmon rub, turmeric, cumin, pumpkin spice. Wow, sobrang interesting ng mga herbs dito and spices. Mag-Walmart tayo mga besh, hindi lang kita. Kasi gabi na. Okay, let's go to Walmart. Okay mga besh, nandito kami sa Walmart. Tapos, just picked up a few groceries and now I'm in the toy aisle. Grabe tong Walmart. This is called the Mega Walmart because it's so big. This is in Chula Vista. And grabe lang. It's a one-stop shop. So merong grocery, may hardware, merong toy section, clothes section. Oh my gosh, ang laki niya. Oh my god, may Furby dito. Ang cute. Grabe yung dami ng toys. My husband and I were talking while going around. And we just think that this is massive. It's so huge that we don't know what to buy. We're just going around. Well, we got a few stuff, but to be honest, parang kinuha lang. Kasi, oh my god, ang dami. Grabe. Parang ang hirap mag-decide. Ayan o, $68 lang. Around 2,000 pesos. Tapos when Black Friday comes down, magsisale pa yan. Okay, look at this. Mga throw pillows for kids. Pokemon throw. Ayan, meron dito mga containers. Acrylics. Luggage. If you want to buy luggage, you can buy luggage here for as low as $78. Punta tayo sa beauty and cosmetics section, of course. So we have, ayan, ito, toilet and bath. Comforters. Parang meron na rin siyang appliance section. Okay, Harry Potter stuff. So this is a gift set sa Harry Potter fans. So it's a mug and an acrylic door hanger and socks. How much is this? Grabe. Ang galing ng mga gift sets dito. Oh my god, look. So, mga alak. Ayan. So, set na siya. Jerky. Jerky, shot glass. Tigil. KitKat pang barangay.
Twix pang barangay.
Oh my
Reese's
god!
pang barangay.
It's 1 yard.
Hershey's pang barangay.
Tignan niyo yung Reese's besh.
May baka matapa.
Ay, sorry. Panghampas na. Grabe.
Yung Twix din.
Grabe rin yung Twix.
Yung KitKat nila.
Yung KitKat. Look at this.
KitKat.
Oh my god, babe. Look at this. Look at the kisses. Look at the kisses. Oh my god. America. Bravo. So we're here now at the cosmetic section. So we have Burt's Bees. Ayan, mura yung Burt's Bees dito. And then we have some local brands like Sasquatch, EOS Lip Balm. So may mix sila ng affordable and high-end hair care and skin care. So dito tayo sa mga lotion. Sasquatch, Bag Balm. What's this? Works wonders on dry skin. Wow. Aveeno, favorite namin to. But we have pa CeraVe. This is good for daddy.
What?
Eucerin. Oh, sorry. Ito maganda to. Ano? Or eczema. Tapos ayan din mga CeraVe besh. Eczema relief, eczema prone skin, colloidal oatmeal, skin calming, itching, itch relief. Gamitin kaya ni Daddy to? Okay, so first time ko naka-experience ng Walmart wherein all the products are inside glass shelves. Because I think they have a problem with theft here. Nakaano siya lahat, Lee. Nakasara. Well, not this part, but mostly are locked in the glass shelves. Falsy Surreal. Ooh, Great Lash. O, diba? May black lipstick ang ano, Maybelline. So, this is L'Oreal. Physicians Formula. It's still alive. Oh my God. Butter bronzer. Hello, boy ka pa. Tapos na kami. Super onti lang nung napamili pero 5K na. Oh my God. Ayan lang. 5K yan, mga besh. This is steak and eggs. Oh my God, look at that. Beautiful steak and eggs. And we have pancakes. It's called Classic Flapjacks, but the berries are not free. It's an additional $6. Let's eat. Okay mga besh, I'm here now in Los Angeles International Airport. And we are on our way back to the Philippines. So yung next nito ay mga haul. So thanks for joining me in this great US trip. It was really amazing. Dito lang kami sa PF Chang's. Nagdi-dinner lang kami dito sa PF Chang's Lux. So yun lang. I won't make this long anymore because I'm also tired. And yeah, thanks for joining me in this trip. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow my social media accounts. Visit my blog and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!